Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Code with Nav. In the continuation of our Java 8 feature series, today I come up with a default method concept. So basically until 1.7 version of Java, inside interface we can take only public abstract method. Until Java 1.7 version, we can take only abstract methods and public static final variables, which means every method present inside interface is always public and abstract, whether we are declaring or not. Every variable declared inside interface is always public static final, whether we are declaring or not. But from Java 1.8 version, we can declare default concrete methods also. So what we have covered theoretical part so far, that until Java 1.7 version we can take only abstract methods and public static final variable, which means every method present inside interface is always public and abstract, whether we are declaring or not. But from Java 1.8 version onwards, we can declare default concrete method also. Okay, so what will be the signature? Method signature of default methods. So we can define one method with keyword default, return type is void, and any name of the method, which will contain the implementation of the same method. Let's say my requirement, I want to print something to the console. System.out.println is a default method. Now second thing, we would need to see that how we can call this default method. Now let me move to the Eclipse. Let me create one interface here. Let's say my interface name is it is containing only one method, that is default void m1. I will say whenever this method will execute, please print default method execution to the console. So we have seen that interface can contain concrete method also from Java 1.8 version by using the keyword default. Now second thing, we need to see how do we call this method from our main class. So first our class should implement this interface, implements interf. Now we need to create an object for demo, which is my class which is implementing our interface. Now on the same object we can call that default method, something like this one. Now let me save this one and let me run this one. Default method execution. So this is how we can define our default method inside an interface, and this is how we can call that same method from our main class. And default method is also known as definer method or virtual extension method. Now maybe you can think about what is the advantages of adding default method inside an interface. So basically the main advantage of default method is without affecting implementation class we can add new functionality to the interface. Let's say we do have multiple classes which are implementing some interface. So if I need to define one method, then definitely that method will be applicable for all the classes which are implementing the same interface. So default method we do not need to override everywhere in our class. So whenever we want we can use this method by simply using the object of the same class. I hope you got the idea why do we need to use Java 8 feature default methods inside an interface. In case if you have any query, please let me know. Please do subscribe, please do like my video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.